I'm gonna show you something about my dog. Alright? Alright? Okay. I'm just gonna pull that back, okay? Okay, so this like looks cute, right? Just a